apology.
Go to hell!
Jeez, you don't have to be anxious.
Shut up! Don't tell me what to do, man!
Like, be happy. Like, chuckle around.
What did you say?
Like, chuckle around. Like, ha-ha. Woohoo! Ha-ha!
Hey, Knuckles, I don't chuckle!
Jeez, I really want to mention, like, it's Mario Day. People need to celebrate about me.
Who cares?
So, you want to fight, huh? You don't scare me one bit.
Bring it on, doofus!
Woohoo! Yeah! Oh, I'll just get myself warmed up. Oh, yeah!
Burn Knuckle!
Oh, just kidding. And now for the final blow. Woohoo! Yeah! Gotcha! Looks like you fall down to your death! Huh?
Knuckles can glide!
Woohoo! 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 Woohoo!
Oh wait, I'm not done yet, man! Uppercut!
Oh, mamma mia! Oh!
I'm Knuckles, don't chuckle.
Hey, you're the guy who got Mario. You beat the living crap out of Mario. Thank you. Oh, that Mario bugs me, man. How can I ever thank you? And what's your name?
Thanks for the punch!
I'm
Knuckles, don't chuckle!
Happy Mario Day.
Not!
Let's go!
Woohoo!